So Mr. Anash Kumar Das wanted to understand from us, Tejal, that if you have some advices or tips for the nutritional management of children with Down syndrome, and also if there are any feeding techniques in particular.
So, there are, as I mentioned, that, because of hypotonia and oromotor issues and sensory issues in the mouth, there will be some chewing issues with our children in the initial years. So there are oromotor intervention programs, just 1 or 2 day programs, which we also give. Our speech therapists also have. So, I would really recommend that she should take up those 1 or 2 days courses and learn exactly how the feeding techniques should be there, right? And as I mentioned about the talk tools, that is also very helpful because they have, different tools which actually help the child to develop develop strength in the mouth, in the tongue, and overall facial muscles. So that is very important. And when you talk about nutritional and the diet, I think it should be area specific. If I am in a north, I'm talking about India. If I am a South Indian, I would prefer dosas and idlis and ragis a lot. But of course, if I'm from somebody from a north side, so uh, parathas and the regular very simple food is what is recommended. We should not so it has to be really local. We should not be buying fruits which are from abroad. I would suggest just try to be as natural and local specifically, and do test for some food allergies for your child sometimes, because sometimes our children do have food allergies, so you should be avoiding those foods for our children. And sometimes they are gluten, um, they have gluten intolerance and intolerance. So you should be aware about all those things. So when you see our medical checklist, you will get all the details as to what all tests need to be done at what age. So that will really help you to, actually develop a nutritional program for your child. And I would recommend you to meet a regular dietitian every 6 months for your child. So after taking out these reports. But simple, healthy, homemade food is the best.